Good morning children. Children, in today's video we are going to do the left exercises, the remaining exercises of the lesson 6, the pod of my own. Sorry, Seher goes for stargazing. Okay, so we have completed till this one. So now we need to do the next exercise, page number 65. Exercise A, subject verb agreement. Okay, what is the sentence made of? Okay, sentence is made of made with two parts, subject and predicates. Okay, the subject that is being talked in the sentence. Okay, what we are speaking about in a sentence, एक sentence में जिसके बारे में बात की जा रही है, that is called subject, and the predicate tells us something about the subject, and whole of the remaining sentence that tells us about the subject is called predicate. Okay. So, in your grammar portion I have already taught this chapter, subject and predicate, so I don't think it is more required. Okay. So, now Seher, underline the subject and circle the predicates in these sentences. Seher was interested in astronomy. What is the subject in this sentence? Seher, because here we are talking about Seher. And circle the predicates. What is the predicate? Okay, this part of the sentence is predicate. Seher and her father went to Sariska. Now what is the subject? In this sentence we are talking about Seher and her father. Okay, so it will be a subject of this sentence, and went to Sariska is a predicate. They are looking at stars there. So what is subject? They, because here we are talking about they, and this is predicate. Sariska is a wildlife sanctuary. So Sariska is subject and this is predicate. The lodge was located in a quiet place. So what is subject? The lodge, and this is predicate. Okay. Now what is the subject and what is subject and verb agreement? Now let me show you. So first read this conversation. Seher that stars has a long tail. What is verb in this sentence? Has. Okay, it is a helping verb, auxiliary verb. Father, that is not a star, it is a comet. Here what is verb? Is. Here and here also. Okay, the star has a long tail. उस स्टार में एक लॉन्ग टेल है. That is not a star, वो स्टार नहीं है. It is a comet. ये एक comet है. I have never seen a comet before. Now what is verb here? Have. There are thousands of comets, but most of them are, okay, so far away. So all these are called as auxiliary verb or helping verb, and if there is no main verb, then these verb work as main verb. Now you can see here, it is written in your book. In the first sentence, star is the subject. It is singular subject. Okay, what is the meaning of singular? Single, one in number. जो singular noun होते हैं वो सिर्फ एक होते हैं. Here we are talking about only one star. So it is singular number. So we use singular verb has. Okay, singular number के साथ हमने किसका use किया यहाँ पर? Has का और is का. And in the fourth sentence the subject is comets. Now you can see comets. S is added here. Now it has become a plural form of comet. So if we see the plural number noun, we use noun for verb for plural number like are, have. Okay, तो हम singular के साथ has या इसका use करेंगे, and plural number के साथ हम किसका use करेंगे? are का या फिर have का. Okay. Now listen one thing. It is notable that I and you. Okay. Although I and you indicates for singular person, भले ही ये I और you जो है वो single person के लिए indicate करते हैं, refer करते हैं, but we consider is as plural number. Okay, we treat them as plural number noun. इनको हम कैसे consider करते हैं? I और you को हम plural number noun में consider करते हैं, and उनके साथ हम have का ही use करेंगे या फिर you के साथ are का use करेंगे. Okay. Now let's see the exercise. Now on a dark night the sky, here we are talking about sky only, sky is singular number, so we will fill here is. Okay, on a dark sky is lit up with 100 of twinkling star, एक अंधेरी रात में जो स्काई है वो सैकड़ों तारों चमकते हुए तारों के साथ जगमगाता है. इफ यू, ठीक है, एज आई टोल्ड यू, यू इज कंसिडर्ड एज प्लूरल नंबर ऑल्दो इट इज सिंगुलर इन नंबर, बट वी यूज द हेल्पिंग वर्ब फॉर प्लूरल नंबर विथ यू. यू के साथ हम उन हेल्पिंग वर्ब का आर का यूज करेंगे. ओके, सो इफ यू आर out of in the desert on an open space away from the city lights, you might see thousands of them. अगर आप किसी डेजर्ट के बाहर हो या फिर किसी ओपन स्पेस खुली जगह में हो, सिटी लाइट से दूर हो, तो आप उनमें से हजारों तारे देख सकते हैं. एस्ट्रोनॉमर्स, हियर इट इज प्लूरल नंबर. ओके, सो वी विल यूज हैव. Astronomers have studied stars for many years. They have found that there are, okay, there are many kinds of stars. Stars plural number है, इसीलिए हमने यहाँ पर are का यूज किया है. A group of stars that forms a pattern is called a constellation. ओके, स्टार्स का वो ग्रुप जो एक तरीके के पैटर्न को या आकृति को फॉर्म करता है, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? कॉन्स्टेलेशन. देयर 88 रिकॉग्नाइज्ड कॉन्स्टेलेशंस. अगेन we are talking about plural number now, constellations. So we will use here are. There are 88 recognized constellation. यहाँ पर कितने? 88 जाने माने कॉन्स्टेलेशन है. You heard the Orion. Okay, we will use here have. Why have? Because we use plural helping verb with you. Okay, it the most clearly visible. Here we are talking about singular number now, so we will write here is. Okay, now subject and object of the verb. Actually it is not. शहर studies stars. Okay, शहर studies stars. In this sentence, शहर is the subject. The subject of a verb, the door of the action. The subject usually appears just before the verb. Okay, what is verb here? Studies. Okay, verb is called the physical action or action done in the sentence by the subject. So studies is verb and subject usually comes before verb. Okay, and the object of a verb, the person or thing that is acted upon by the सब्जेक्ट. जो ऑब्जेक्ट होता है वो ऐसा नाउन होता है, कोई व्यक्ति या कोई वस्तु होती है जो सब्जेक्ट के द्वारा किए गए कार्य को एक्सेप्ट करती है, जिसका प्रभाव सब्जेक्ट पे, सब्जेक्ट का जो प्रभाव जिस पे पड़ता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड ऑब्जेक्ट. शहर स्टडीज स्टार्स. व्हाट इज शहर हियर? सब्जेक्ट. व्हाट इज वर्ब? स्टडीज. और किसकी स्टडी कर रहा है? स्टार्स की. So stars word will be object here. Clear? In this sentence, you can see example. Dad will drive the car. What is subject? Dad. What is verb? Drive is main verb. Will is helping verb. And what will be drive? किसको drive करेंगे? कार को. So car will be object here. Okay. Dad and I. Okay, dad and I is subject. Will watch, again the main verb. Will helping verb. किसको देखेंगे? The night sky को. So the night sky will be object here. Okay, Now see, look at the underlined words and write S for subject and O for the object. Like the astronomer gazed at the stars. Astronomer stars को लगातार देखे या astronomers ने stars को लगातार देखा. So here the astronomer will be subject because here we are talking about astronomer. I walk my dog every day. I subject, walk verb. So my dog will be object here. Okay. A young boy is playing the piano. A young boy, subject. And what is object in this sentence? Piano. Okay. In fourth number. So young boy is subject here. Has Maya eaten her food? What is the subject here? Maya. Eaten, verb. Her food, object. Then fifth number, she is visiting her father. She is subject here, so father will be object. Okay. Now next, this girl has won the first prize in the competition. This girl will be subject, won, verb. Then what is the first prize? उसने किसको जीता? Prize को जीता. So here prize will be object. Then next, the Khannas are moving all their furniture. Khannas, here we are talking about the Khannas. So here it will be subject. The doctor advised him to rest for few days. Okay, the doctor advised him to rest for few days. The doctor will be subject here. Okay. Now this exercise depends on the listening activity. So now we need to leave it. Okay. Okay, now in next exercise, next video, we will read this poem. Okay, thank you.